Hey everyone, welcome back to Anna's Suitcase. Today I will unpack an exciting experience that I will share with you. I'm taking you to the cleanest waterfalls in the Philippines located in Cebu. Are you excited to know what that is? Well, let's dive right in. Our journey begins in Cebu City. Cebu is known for its world-class beaches, exotic dishes, rich history, and vibrant culture. And today, we're exploring one of its hidden natural gems, Kawasan Falls. To get to Kawasan Falls, I hopped on the bus from South Bus Terminal in Cebu City heading to Badian. I left around 10 a.m., but the ride took almost 5 hours because of the traffic. I let the driver know that I was getting off at Kawasan Falls, and they kindly pointed me in the right direction when the bus has reached Badian. Kawasan Falls is open to visitors from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m., but what I didn't know was that the last entry for visitors at Kawasan Falls is at 3 p.m., as they expect visitors to typically spend about 3 hours. Rather than heading back to Cebu City, I chose to stay overnight so I could visit Kawasan Falls first thing in the morning the next day. With some help from friendly locals, I found a lodge near the falls and spent the night there. I was a bit anxious since I only brought enough cash for the bus fare and some food just in case. Fortunately, I had just enough money to cover the cost of the lodge.
Hello, nandito ko ngayon sa Badian, Cebu, and bukas inabot ako ng cut-off sa Kawasan Falls kasi late na ako dumating and late na kasi ako umalis from Cebu City. It took me like 5 hours from Cebu City to arrive here at Badian, Cebu. So anyway, punta muna ako sa isang lodge so I can stay here overnight. Tomorrow maaga ako pupunta sa Kawasan Falls para ma-explore ang falls. See you tomorrow.
I headed to the falls early in the morning at 6 a.m. the following day. The hike from my lodge to Kawasan Falls took about 13 minutes. Upon arriving at the entrance, a kind local resident offered to guide me, as the hike would take about 30 minutes to reach the lowest level of the falls. By the end of the hike, I was sweaty and was gasping for breath. But I didn't have time to complain, as the sight of the falls took my breath away. The 30-minute hike was totally worth it.
Hello! Welcome dito ako sa Kawasan Falls. And ganda rito. Invite ko na yung tubig, kaya lang ang lamig pa. So, punta tayo sa tubig maya-maya. In the meantime, papakita ko sa inyo yung ganda ng Kawasan Falls.
I decided not to explore the upper layers since my main goal was to swim and take a refreshing dip. Before I knew it, I had spent around 3 hours completely fascinated by the clear waters and the lush green trees around. Time just seemed to slip away as I enjoyed the beauty of nature around. And that's it for today's adventure, everyone. Kawasan Falls is indeed a hidden gem in the Philippines, and I hope you get the chance to personally experience its splendor. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Until next time, happy travels!